Hi, this is part two of it, or really part three. I wanted to do it. I did it in black and gray. It's kind of hard to see the joint. So I thought I'd do it in this orange. So if you didn't watch the other two parts, how to get to this part is already combined. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. I'm going to mirror them. And you need to kind of get it close on that intersection. And then we're going to do just like we did before. Hold down the shift key and grab the second one. You can see you've got two objects selected. We're going to go ahead and hit the combine key. Now we've got a curve on one layer. We're going to hold down the shift key and select the second item. We're going to go to copy, going to go to paste, and then we're going to grab this section, go up to object, power clip, and place inside frame, and you get that. And do just like we did in the other video, we're going to just take away the power clip outline. And look how it looks like they're joined together. I didn't do a very good job getting them in the center. That one's a little better. It looks like they're actually joined on the, like if it was metal. And you could do that, keep going, as many circles as you wanted. Kind of a different effect than back minus front, or whatever, and having one ring going around the other one. And I might even try that because it would be a neat effect also. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.